Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna have an easy install today. We're gonna be installing a single strut tower from Petty's Garage. So let's get to it. All right, guys, it's really easy. I'm gonna use a couple things here. I'm gonna use a pry tool to pull off the covers for the strut covers, and then we're gonna use a 13mm socket and wrench to unbolt the 6 bolts. So let's get to doing that. So you just use the pry tool, pop the cover off, just that easy. Take off these bolts. I'm going to cheat a little bit, make it easier. Very good. Next, we're going to install the tower. And then reinstall the bolts. And I say to tighten it down about 20 pounds with the torque wrench, but I don't have a torque wrench that small. So they weren't that tight when I took the bolts off, so I'm just going to tighten them up to about a good feel of what they were. good. All right, and then install the covers. You'll see a little nub right here. There's a little nub. Make sure it's just lined up, facing out. Oh, not quite. There it is. There's a little nub here. Just turn that outside to the side of the car. That's it. So eventually I'm going to replace these strut caps with billet technology aluminum caps. Really dress it up nicely. So I'm still waiting for those to arrive, and then we'll do an install on that. But yeah, here you go. Here you have it. Fits beautiful. It really looks nice. So as you noticed, I'm going with a red theme on the engine compartment. That way it'll pop against the blue and the black. But yeah, turned out awesome. Easy install. So there you have it. An easy install. The Petty Garage single strut tower. Took about 5 minutes. No problems whatsoever. Anybody can do it, even me. So remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episodes soon to come. Till then, stay revved up.